What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Riding Dad channel, or welcome if it's your first time. Either way, very glad to have you. You already know what the video is about. We're doing a giveaway. Thank you guys so much for making this possible. This is my way of saying thank you to you guys, just a little portion of my appreciation. So let's roll the intro and we'll explain everything.
Riding Dad YouTube channel, it's the Riding Dad YouTube channel, it's the Riding Dad YouTube channel, it's the Riding Dad.
All right, so I wanted to do a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers, had a bunch of videos that I just had to get out in a timely manner for everything to make sense. Wanted to do one at 6,000, now I'm just shy or just past, shy of 6,100, just past 6,000. So it's finally giveaway time. This giveaway, obviously you want to know what it is. So what is it? It's going to be a $100 gift card to Tucker Speed. So combine that with my my 10% discount code that you guys get, and there you go. It's a little more than $100. So $100 for Tucker Speed. I will give it to whoever wins. My giveaway, you guys will be seeing this on July 30th, I believe. Should be next, well, it's the current Saturday you guys are watching this. I'm filming this a Saturday beforehand. So I believe it's going to be July 30th. August. You have the entire month of August to compete in this giveaway. So the only thing you have to do is comment on this video, comment down below, and you can say whatever you want, but in your comment, you have to have your Instagram handle, your username, and on Instagram, you have to be following me. So what I'm gonna do to pick the winner is at random, scroll through all my comments, put it in a random generator to pick whichever one it is. Once I pick the winning comment, I'll verify on Instagram that you're following my page as well. And then of course, obviously you have to be a subscriber on YouTube in addition to just commenting. So, you guys have a month to do this. I will continue to share this video on every platform that I use and share it several times on everywhere. $100 is a decent chunk of change. That's coming out of my pocket. Tucker Speed is not giving me $100. I am physically buying a $100 gift card and giving it to whoever the winner is. The really cool thing about this is that it's twofold. Because Tucker Speed has some really exciting stuff going on as well. And what is that, you might be asking? Well, here is the answer to that question. New merch is one of the things they got going on. They now have gloves. These are one colorway of them, and this is another one. They have another 2 or 3 on their website. I'll post some screenshots up right now, but they have a couple different style gloves. These are their, obviously, Tucker Speed logo. Tucker Speed, I want to make sure it was the same way that you guys can read it. Tucker Speed, these are obviously a summertime glove. They're very stretchy. They are by Fist. That's the company that, it's the glove company, but obviously it's for Tucker Speed. Pretty thin, but still seems pretty durable. Obviously, it's a summertime glove. It's not made to be a be-all, end-all, track style glove. It's just a summertime glove. They're very comfortable. Just for size reference, if you think you're my size, I mean, obviously I'm not giving you measurements, whatever, they'll have them on the Fist website, or if you're familiar with Fist gloves, these are mediums. I can tell you that in Harley gloves, I wear a medium. In Biltwell gloves, pretty much every glove I have that fits me correctly is a medium. So these are running pretty true to size for me. They are touchscreen, let me see if I can focus in, touchscreen compatible on the pointers and the thumbs. So you got that, like I said, different colorways. New shirts. This is one of them that I'm wearing right now, obviously in a simple black and white. Make sure I'm centered here. So this is one. They are different. The shirt manufacturer has changed. They reached out to me and told me that the shirts are being made by a different manufacturer. These are smoother. More soft, they fit better. The quality is just, it feels like they moved from a basic tee to a premium tee. 100% better. I love these shirts. I'm gonna go buy some more. My whole closet's gonna wind up being basically like a Tucker Speed warehouse full of clothes because I love these shirts. These remind me incredibly much of the, wow, that doesn't sound like proper English. These remind me a lot of the first manufacturing company shirts. They're very, very similar. These are a little bit lighter weight, which is super nice for hot weather times. And like I said, they fit great. This is a large on me, and they have a bunch of different shirts. Obviously, you'll be watching that on my little screen grab or whatever I posted there, but a bunch of different shirts. The other cool thing that's new for Tucker Speed, and these are just some of them, some socks. I'm actually wearing another set right now. They're very comfortable. They're, again, a very premium feeling sock. They're not thick to where it's like a wintertime sock, but they're also not thin to the point where like they're not comfortable. They're a very good feeling. The elastic is very good. I wore these socks to the gym today, and they have not moved down my feet, and I've been very active. I've had them on for, well, I don't have my watch on. Had them on for a couple hours, and they have not moved. But a couple different colorways of socks online as well. You'll see all that. Let me go ahead and take these gloves off to tell you the most exciting part about this whole kind of mutually beneficial giveaway that I am doing for you guys as far as the Tucker Speed stuff is concerned. So, the other really cool part about this, and I'm getting my phone specifically to tell you because I don't want to screw anything up. The other really cool thing about this is that Tucker Speed is doing their own giveaway. Their giveaway lasts until August, or sorry, not until August, October, lasts until the end of October. So obviously my giveaway ending in August will give you ample time to use the gift card and do whatever you want to do through the end of October. So their giveaway is an actual whole bike, and $1,000. So their bike is an 09 Sportster complete with and they say it's in progress, so they're potentially probably adding more stuff to this. But right now, like I said, it's an 09 Sportster. It has a 1275 kit, fueling 505 cams, zipper performance chain drive, Kenda dual sport tires, lowbrow tsunami fender, custom high mount front fender, Saddlemen One Wheel Revolution seat, Speed Merchant skid plate, custom paint by Raw Tin Garage, Tracker Die damper rods, 13-inch shocks, not socks. I had a hiccup too. Tucker Speed risers, Biltwell moto bars, Pro 1 gold fork tubes, custom one-off exhaust, and one-finger levers. I'll go ahead and post a screenshot of the way the bike looks right now, but it's a really cool setup. I really want it. I hope it goes to you guys because I feel like, you know, somebody in the YouTube position shouldn't be getting these kind of giveaway things, but at the same time, I really want this bike, so I don't know. It's just a sweet, sweet setup. There is a little bit of a bonus thrown in there as well. So how you enter to win on the Tucker Speed side is every $5 spent is one entry. The kind of bonus for that is if you buy any Tucker Speed apparel, the shirt, the gloves, the socks, and it has a little notice in case you forget or you're confused or whatever, you get double the entries. So you buy a shirt, instead of getting your typical entries, you get double the entries. Gloves, socks, all that kind of stuff. And their stuff is not expensive. It's not like they have $50 shirts like a lot of companies do. Their socks are pretty cheap. I think the gloves, I believe they were $30 if memory serves me correct when I was looking this morning. So their stuff is not super expensive. Their prices are really good, and now you're getting double the entries. So it's just a lot of cool stuff. And like I said, straight from their site, one lucky winner will win a custom-built motorcycle and $1,000 cash. And then it explains how you enter, which I just explained to you. And it says, obviously, placing orders on the website is how you do it, but it's valid now through the end of October. And like I said, one entry per $5, but 2 times the entries, double the entries from Tucker Speed merch. You guys know I have plugged Tucker Speed since they've been a thing and since they've reached out to me, since I found out about them. I know there are a couple other people that talk highly of Tucker Speed. I cannot say enough good things about Tucker Speed as a company. This is a perfect time for me to reach out and say thank you to you guys. Also help plug more of the Tucker Speed stuff with their new merch drop. They're just a really good company. If you ever have any questions for them, reach out to them. They respond immediately. If something's not on the website that you really want and you're ready to buy it right then and there, reach out to Tucker Speed, please, because they can probably get it. Like you guys know, they are a newer company. They haven't been around online, you know, for us and everything as much as they are right now for years and years, like some of these other companies have been. They're relatively new to, you know, the online market stuff. So there's a lot of stuff that they just haven't had time to add to their website just because they've been busy. They're a speed shop. They're a performance shop physical storefront too. So they're busy doing a lot of different stuff. They don't have a ton of employees. It's a small run thing, which is awesome for customer service. And because of all that, like I said, they don't have time to put a lot of stuff online as much as they would like to, but if you reach out to them and you want something and they have access to get it, they will add it to the site, typically, at least in my experience, within the day, and then you can order, you can go ahead and order it right then. So again, to recap, $100 is my giveaway, $100 gift card to Tucker Speed. Make sure you use my coupon. It'll get you a little bit more than $100 because of your discount code from the Ridin' Dad. 2 times the entries on all of the Tucker Speed apparel, and just 1 time the entry on everything else. $5 equals 1 entry. For every $5 you get an entry spent on the Tucker Speed website, almost said website. That's not correct. That's not a word. But you have until the end of August to enter in the Tucker Speed one, and then you have until the end of October. I keep screwing that up. The end of October to enter the Tucker Speed giveaway, and the end of August to enter my giveaway. Again, you have to be subscribed to me on YouTube. You have to be following me on Instagram. I don't care if you're not active on Instagram. I know there's a lot of people that follow me on YouTube that are going to want to participate, but you don't have an Instagram account. Just make an Instagram account real quick if you want to participate, and you don't have to do anything besides just follow me. You don't have to like a post. You don't have to have 1 million followers. You can have 0 followers, zero posts, and be following 1 person, and that's me, and that qualifies for this giveaway. On the YouTube comment of this video down below, make sure you can comment whatever, but make sure you comment your Instagram username, because I will be picking at random from these comments. You can't enter unless you comment on this video, and then whoever wins from these comments, I will be verifying your Instagram username that you are following me on Instagram as well. Please like this video. It does help me out. I mean, you have to be subscribed for this giveaway, but why wouldn't you subscribe? So make sure you're subscribed. I try to do these giveaways every so often. I can tell you I will probably postpone the giveaways for a while, because my next big giveaway will be 10,000. That's kind of my next big landmark. At 10,000, I will have a huge giveaway for you guys. But go support Tucker Speed. Go check out my past videos. Enter the giveaway here. Go spend money at Tucker Speed, or wait till you get my $100 coupon from them if you win, and then spend money over there. Thank you guys for supporting me and the channel and everything that I do, and thank you guys in advance for supporting Tucker Speed. And until the next time, guys, ride safe, have fun, Dad